Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. As we don't like to make you guys wait for the fantastic videos, we want to convey all the possible informative messages to you as soon as possible. So today, we are here again with an awesome video. Before starting with the video, I would ask you to subscribe to our channel because it is one of the best informative platforms. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. The topic of today's video is fascinating as we will tell you how to make money with Canva. So, if you are interested in this video and want to know about the Canva, then stay with us and watch the video till the end. This video will be good news for graphic designers. In this video, we will not only tell you how to make money from Canva, but we will also guide the beginners who want to start graphic designing. So stay with us till the end of the video. Let's start with the video. Before knowing how to make money in Canva, you should know about Canva. What is Canva? Canva is a graphic designing app from which you can give your posters, logo, and projects a professional look. This app is available on the Play Store free of cost. And it is used by people to design their projects within no time. The best thing about this app is that it will freely provide you with premium-looking graphics. We will discuss how you can make money on a graphic designing app. First of all, if you're a graphic designer and want to design the best graphics, then you may use this app because this app is free of cost and it provides many options which you can use to make your pictures look the best. Besides this, you can use this app to sell your work there. Now the question arises of what kind of work you can sell on Canva. As it is a graphic designing network, and there are about more than 65 million Canva users in the whole world. So, it is a big platform to interact with people interested in graphic design. You can sell your creations on Canva also. For this, you must first follow some rules. You must download the app from the Play Store. Then you have to become a contributor to the Canva app. In this way, you can quickly sell your project on the app. After signing up, you have to upload your work. Your work can be in the form of images or collections. After uploading, you will start earning money. Interested people will come across your posts and buy your projects on the app. In this way, you can sell your graphics designs on a big platform. Canva is a graphics marketplace, or you can say the biggest graphics marketplace. So if you are a graphic designer, Canva would be your best choice. Canva is not only a graphic designing app, but also a business app. People with graphic designing skills can work on this app and earn money. Many Canva users use this application to make money in approximately 179 countries. It is the best place for graphic designers to try their luck and use their skills. How can beginners make money on Canva? Don't be sad if you are a beginner and don't know much about graphics. Canva has many features that are easily accessible and free of cost. So if you are a beginner, you can watch some graphics tutorials. After getting knowledge of a few basics about graphic designing, you can use the Canva app easily. Canva provides many options like different options filters, many templates for designing, and many more. Canva is the best place for a freelancer to make money. So making money through Canva is so easy, and when you start with this, you will notice that it would take almost no time to edit pics and use your graphic skills. Start it now as it is one of those platforms people are earning in no time around the globe. Here you will get the best audience and buyers of your graphic work as all the Canva users are somehow into graphic designing. This was all from today's video. I hope you guys will like it and will press the bell icon to let us know that you appreciate our efforts. We are trying our best to make you guys reach out to every possible platform for earning money. So, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. There are many more exciting videos on the way for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are promising you again that next time we will again bring a fantastic video for you all. Till then, stay tuned.